Tinker Air Force Base, built to serve, repair, and sustain a nation at war, gave rise to a legacy that helped shape the future of flight. From that dream came generations of workers whose skills and dedication made innovation in flight possible, and generations of aircraft that carried their legacy through history. And today, we continue to push the limits of innovation, taking us further, faster, and beyond imagination. Together, we honor the past and power the future. The 2027 Tinker Air Show, where generations gather, not just to remember, but to take flight.
The 2027 Tinker Air Show, Generations in Flight, coming June 5th and 6th, celebrating 85 years of Team Tinker air power in Oklahoma.